every skilled driver should know. Driving is a skill that evolves with experience. While new drivers focus on the basics like maintaining speed limits, using turn signals, and obeying traffic rules, seasoned drivers develop a deeper understanding of their vehicle's behavior, road conditions, and efficiency tricks. These hidden car hacks are often unknown to the average driver, but can make a significant difference in fuel economy, safety, maintenance, and overall driving comfort. In today's video, we'll be highlighting the hidden car hacks every skilled driver should know. But before I continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It will help me to grow up. Fuel-saving secrets that work. One of the most important aspects of driving is fuel efficiency. Many drivers waste fuel without realizing it, often due to poor habits or misinformation. A simple yet effective way to save fuel is by maintaining a steady speed. Sudden acceleration and hard braking cause unnecessary fuel consumption because the engine has to work harder to adjust. Instead, smooth acceleration and gradual braking ensure the car operates at an optimal level. On highways, using cruise control helps maintain a constant speed, reducing fluctuations that lead to excessive fuel consumption. Another often overlooked factor is tire pressure. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, meaning the engine has to exert more power to move the vehicle forward, consuming more fuel in the process. Checking tire pressure regularly and keeping it at the recommended level enhances both fuel efficiency and driving safety. Similarly, idling for long periods is a common but costly mistake. Many drivers believe keeping the engine running while waiting saves fuel compared to restarting the car. But modern engines are designed to minimize fuel consumption during startup. Turning off the engine when waiting for more than a minute can lead to noticeable fuel savings over time. Using the correct fuel for your car is another vital aspect of fuel efficiency. Some drivers assume premium fuel is always better, but unless the car manufacturer specifically recommends it, using higher octane fuel offers no real benefits. In fact, it could be an unnecessary expense. Reading the owner's manual and using the fuel grade specified ensures the car operates at peak efficiency. Maintenance tricks to keep your car in top shape. Regular maintenance is the key to keeping a car running smoothly for years, but there are many lesser-known tricks that can prevent costly repairs. One of the most common misconceptions is that cars need to idle for a long time in cold weather to warm up the engine. In reality, modern engines don't require extended idle time. The best way to warm up a car in cold conditions is to drive it gently for the first few minutes. Idling for too long not only wastes fuel, but can also cause unnecessary engine wear. Checking engine oil is a simple, yet crucial task that many drivers overlook or perform incorrectly. To get an accurate reading, the car should be on a flat surface, and the engine should be cool. Many drivers make the mistake of checking oil right after turning off the car, but this can lead to misleading readings. Keeping up with oil changes, using the recommended oil type, and replacing the oil filter at the right intervals help prolong engine life. Tire rotation is another essential maintenance step that many drivers ignore. Rotating tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles ensures even wear and extends their lifespan. Unevenly worn tires not only reduce traction and safety, but also cause unnecessary strain on the suspension. Listening for unusual sound.